Hey guys, let's unbox all four of these beauty subscription boxes. I have two of the Allure boxes, so it's like for the month, I think July and August. Then we have the Iconic box by Ipsy. This is their like more expensive one, but you also get a huge value out of it. And then the typical Ipsy dollar, like $14 one. We have the makeup blending sponge, super cute, and this is by, doesn't say by who, but anyways, I'm Red Wine, pore tightening mask by Tony Moly. Then we had the Stone Street Soap House Wholesome Body Souffle, very nice. And oh, what is that? Oh, Rhodile blush. I actually really wanted to try this out. It's in frosted pink. Okay, let's swatch it. Interesting. That's the blush. It seems like it would be more of a lip gloss. It's like way too pink, I think. Oh, actually, not bad. It has a nice sheen to it. And finally, the last product in here is, what is that? It's a bronzer, I think, by Ciate London. It's called the Brazilian Glow Bronzer Powder. It's like a little travel size. Okay, very adorable. The name of the color is Aruba Island. All right, that's what we got for that one. Let's unbox the Allure Beauty box. Okay, don't know if it says. This is probably for July because it seems like it has the 4th of July, you know, American flag colors. So number one, we got the Tula Skincare Glow Plus Get It Cooling Brightening Eye Balm. Oh, very nice. Then we have the Floneri Water Lily PHA Pore Refining Exfoliator. Better Not Younger Lift Me Up Hair Thickening Spray. Wow, YSL, what is that? The Blur Primer. This is a little travel size, but still, OMG, wait. This is the primer for skin. Yeah, it's like, okay, because it looks, do you see how beautiful it is? It has like these gold specks. Two more products. We have the Biore, maybe that's how you pronounce it. Golden Carrot Overnight Relief Mask. And the Melanin Goats Dark Rum. Oh, this is the perfume. I've tried some of their skincare and I actually really liked it. So let me see. Interesting smell. I kind of like it, but I'm so bad at describing scents. But it is like more musky and dark. Now this is for August, I believe. Okay. Oh, right away I see that we're going to get the mascara for $25. Where are you? I guess this is it. Full Sleeve by Kat 1D. Okay. Then what we have, the Juliet Has a Gun, not a perfume. Wait, what? So I noticed that they do always include a perfume in there. Now this one retails like a full size 100 millimeters would be $150, but this is not a full size. But I do like, smells really good. Very nice and like gentle and feminine. Whereas the other one was a bit more like a stronger, overpowering. Okay. Then we have the Manio Pure Cleansing Oil. Then we have the Dew of the Gods Hyaluronic Lip Butter Coconut Cloud. The Daily Concepts Daily Reusable Rounds. Limited edition micellar water with rosemary extracts. And this is by Eclat Skin London. Makeup Remover Cleansing Water. Okay. We have the Reversal Lift and Fill Foam Control Marine Collagen Gel by Kat Berkey. They do send quite a few products by this company, and I actually do like it. So I can't complain because it is a bit pricey if I was to buy it myself. Then we had the multi-use cream blush bronzer and highlighter palette by Iconic London. Multi-use cream and blush. I'm just curious to see what the colors are. I absolutely love cream blushes and bronzers. I've been super into cream products lately, to be honest with you. I used to not like them, and now I just absolutely love them. Wow, this is so pretty. Very nice. I don't know about this peachy blush, like corally. Maybe it'll look good. I'm just curious. Should I try it? Yeah, let's try it. Oh, yeah, actually it shows up much better on my skin than it's like in a pan. So, oh yeah, I love it. Very excited about that. And it's probably pretty oh my god, you guys. Natasha Denona Low Face Palette. Eye and Cheek Essentials. What? That is amazing. OMG. Oh my god. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. Wow. Guys, like seriously. What? Oh my god. How pretty is this? I am just absolutely in love. I can't believe we got it in the box. Whoa, like definitely so far it's paying off for itself. Okay, let me see if we have the prices here. Okay, so the Iconic London cream brush, that's $49, right? So it almost paid for the box itself already. So then we have the Femu Brilliant Cleansing Gel. Oh, another gel. Okay, cleansing gel. I can't say again that I complain. This looks pretty fancy. Haven't heard of this brand yet, but I do lately like to try new things. I am a bit more careful now with my skincare because I don't want to break out or, you know, just put anything on my skin just to try it out. Okay, then we have the Kat Von D Pore Refining Primer Base. Okay, is that full size or is it? Maybe it is because Benefit's Pore Primer is pretty small. Yeah, it does seem like it could be full size. Okay, we have that. And, oh, a few more products down here. Patchology, Serve Chilled on Ice Gels. Okay, so it's like your under eye patches. We have the peptides. Okay, actually, I tried that before. I bought it off Amazon, I believe, and I do like these patches. I don't think they were these exact ones, but they were by that brand, and yeah, I like them. Then we have Kosas. Oh, Kosas Weightless Lip Color. Oh, nice. Look at that. The Fancy Live Neutral Baby Pink. Let's see. Let's open this up. Ugh. I hate when I cannot get it to open. Oh, I love the packaging. So slick. Where did I not test it? Oh my god, I absolutely love this color. Yes. Putting in my purse right now. Two more products, you guys. Then we have the Nessa Myricks Beauty line. Let's see, what is it? Paintbrush liquid eyeliner. Yes, I love liquid eyeliners lately. So, OMG. Let's see. Wait. Oh, that's. I was like, why does it not work well? Because I have primer there. Let's see. Yeah. Or do I not have product? Very nice. Okay. And finally, we have the JLo Beauty Bezo Balm Ultra Hydrating Lip Mask. Okay. Now, with everything that's coming out about J-Lo, I honestly have not been wanting to use her products, but I feel like ever since I subscribed to Ipsy, I've been getting one product per box by J-Lo, so I do have quite a collection right now. All right, you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.